The central government has informed the Supreme Court that it is currently deliberating on what stand it will finally take on the validity of the Places of Worship Act 1991. Remember, the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991 specifically bars any legal challenge from being made with regard to the ownership or religious character of a place of worship, and has frozen all disputes and all debates as of the status of 15th August 1947. Now, these petitions, which have been filed by various petitioners, have said that this provision effectively bars Indians from raising their concerns and their rights over places of worship, and in particular has barred Hindus from exercising their rights over places of worship that were illegally taken over by invading armies in the past of our country. Now, these petitions have come before the bench of Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, who has asked the centre to take a stand in 2 weeks and also to respond to the various questions of law that have been raised by the petitioners. One very crucial question that the petitioners has raised is whether the Parliament of India was competent to pass such an act at all, particularly since the places of worship and land disputes effectively are a matter of state subjects under the Constitution of India. Now, the court is set to hear the matter on the 14th of November, but it will be very crucial to see what stand the central government now takes on this issue, and whether the centre also provides the parliament debates and deliberations that went into framing of this act, because as the Chief Justice today commented, the act is of 1991. Many of the parliamentarians who were there at the time may not be there anymore, but the debates, the notes and all the deliberations that went into it would be there on record. The Solicitor General has for now said that the centre is willing to put all of these documents before the Supreme Court, but the Solicitor General has also said that this is a crucial issue that the centre is currently considering. On the other side, the Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind and other bodies have also moved petitions before the Supreme Court, saying that any interference with the Places of Worship Act would be detrimental to the relationship in the country between religions, and it could lead to a flood of litigation and a flood of disputes which have stayed dormant for decades. What happens next is something that the entire country will be watching very closely. In New Delhi, this is Aneesha Mathur for India Today.